by Cambodia. Out here at Phnom Krom again, at a new place, new style. Getting the riverside food. Look at that view, guys. The rice paddies are looking so green even though it hasn't rained in months. But it's very overcast today, very hot, very humid. And we've got some food on order. What do we got?
I order an eel.
Eel?
And yeah, eel and beef.
Beef.
Yeah, like barbecue beef and with the spicy, a lot of spicy.
Ooh.
And they play and name how and knop like Cambodia, like say pteh knop. Pteh knop like pteh mean a how. Knop like the cook food.
Talk about an easy name. House that cooks food. I like that. I have to learn the name though, Khmer. Beautiful day out in Cambodia, guys. I mean, it's so quiet. We can hear nature. We got frogs, birds. I mean, wow. One of the things I love about Cambodia is there's always a place to eat. Doesn't matter if you're in the city or the riverside like we're at right now. And the food's always delicious. I can order spicy and oh my God, the flavors just pop. Like, oh, your mouth just explodes with excitement because all the robust flavors from garlic, pepper, spicy. Oh my God, so hungry now. And the food has arrived. Oh, are you hungry? Yeah. Feels good. Let's see the big surprise. What do we got
I
here?
order and food and riverside like salak baju.
Oh, the rice, yeah.
Spicy here.
Spicy.
And food and riverside.
Oh, the green beans.
Yeah.
No, those aren't green beans. Those are like
Cambodia call salak baju palat.
What do you call it?
Salak baju palat.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Crab, small swing. Oh, baby crab.
Oh, yeah.
Amazing. I like that.
And then we got some beef. And what else coming?
Beef and the krong. And I order an eel, but it's not half eel.
Oh, they're out. They're out. No eel.
Yeah, no eel. But I'm happy to Khmer food. Original Khmer food. I like that.
Usually she orders the eel and they mix it up, and then sometimes if she's lucky she can get snake with eggs. She really loves the eggs with a snake. How about this view? Come on, guys. I mean, is that not just beautiful? Look at the rice paddy, so green. A single tree, but look how far you can go out there. I mean, I love the riverside. This is great. I think they bring some more food in a minute. Right now, we're gonna start eating. We got some rice with some spicy. Oh.
You want to try a little bit? I do for you.
Now that's fish.
No, yeah, fish.
Yeah, okay. Is this the kind that's under the mud?
Yeah.
And at riverside?
I do for you like this.
All right.
And you can eat this one also. Very good.
Yeah.
And you can make spicy. You see when I make this one?
Mm-hmm. A little spicy.
Yeah, you say I eat like this.
No. So just dip a little bit. Now this is real spice. Okay. Let's try it out. A little rice, a little fish,
Yeah, like that.
and this little guy here. It's got a little fishiness to it, like fish oil.
It's not oil.
No?
No, this one food not oil.
Now, do you eat the fish skin?
Yeah.
You eat the. You guys hear that? Eat the fish skin.
Yeah.
Everything.
Yeah.
What about the
Can-
bones? Eat the
This
bones
one
too?
I eat the bone, but I can take out.
Spit out. Okay. Oh, I see. There's a bone right here. Okay.
A little bit.
Yeah, not bad. Yeah, very salty.
This one
Got a little
original.
sardine tone to it.
Yeah. This one original and Khmer food and riverside. Cambodia call and salak baju palat. Yeah.
It's an acquired taste, no doubt. But I think the longer you stay, the more you acquire it, you know? For me, Well, Linda, born and raised, obviously she's Cambodian, so she knows. But for me, it was Badang. It's an acquired taste. It's I'm warming up all over. Still waiting for that beef. Oh, okay, more fish.
You can eat for all, honey. You
fishy.
can try this one. This one, this one.
Okay. And actually, what do you call that again?
Palat. This one and palat and only riverside have.
Only the riverside.
Like this.
So you can't get it in the city.
And city, but people take from riverside go to city in the market for sale. Yeah.
It's not bad. It tastes like a green bean. I mean, it's basically what it's like. It's a green bean in America. Not bad. It's actually spicy. The broth, it's got a what is that, fish broth?
What?
The liquid, is that like a broth, a fish broth?
Only fish and riverside fish.
But it's very spicy. It's got a very spicy...
No, and honey.
Yeah.
When you eat this one, only this one is not spicy. But you allow the spicy, you can put this one.
I see,
you understand?
I was like, where's the spicy
Oh la
coming
la.
from? I'm learning. See?
This is not as spicy, but this is spicy.
Yeah, whoop my ass spicy. Whoa.
Yeah.
You want some more spicy?
Yeah, for sure.
For sure.
Thank you.
Ooh. You guys hear the frogs in the background? They're just making all kinds of noise. Waiting on that beef. Like that beef, you just dip it in the powder. So Linda just told me that we got the crab. They got crab in here, small crab. If you guys can see that, a small crab. And then big chunks of fish, which these fish actually come from right out here on the riverside there, and they let it go underground in the mud, and the babies swim on top. But it's also got what they call in America or out west the guppies, the small little, or minnows, you know. Show one of the minnows there real quick, honey. Yeah, see, there's a minnow, like a baby fish.
Baby fish. But this fish is never big, only small like that.
Yeah.
Only small, not.
So yeah, it's almost like smelt or like a minnow, very small, and it's in the soup and the broth. But it's got the crab, everything. Oh my goodness, it's very, very good actually. Still waiting on the beef. They're a little slow on that, but I think it comes right now. And the beef has arrived. Look at this, guys. Oh ho ho, delicious. With the spicy.
Yeah, spicy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I love the beef. It's very peppery. It's got like a cam pot pepper and it's some spicy. This is what I love about Cambodia, is the beef. The way they do it. Don't get me wrong, I do love some American barbecue with some Sweet Baby Ray's or Stubbs, my favorite Stubbs. But yeah, that's still the way they do here on the barbecues. Chef's kiss. No sauces though, just season. Oh, chopsticks, okay.
This one.
All right.
This one.
This is ready. Okay. I'm still like using my fingers. It's a beef and a spicy. It's like a pepper, right?
Yeah.
Very peppery. Whoa, too much pepper. Oh. So it's got a bunch of pepper ground up. They put I taste some garlic.
Yeah.
Some ground garlic. The lime.
So
we squeeze lime.
And the salt.
Salt.
Yeah, and lemon.
And lemon. Then you just dip it, get a little sticky like that, then eat it. The beef is cooked medium rare for obviously good beef, you know. And oh, very delicious. Wow. The lemon, which is what it's a lime actually, because Cambodia doesn't really have yellow lemons. They do, but they're expensive. So the limes are common, and that's what they use for the zest. It's like the icing on the cake. Like it's the cherry on the pie. You know, it's the topping that makes it perfect.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah, very, very good.
Now he take and the spicy coming.
Oh,
like
spicy.
chili,
Okay.
yeah.
What we got? What you
So
got?
I love you. I know you love spicy.
Oh, we got more spicy.
Mhm.
Oh, I can try it on. Yeah. Oh, delicious. Okay, boys and girls, it's gonna be a long night. One thing I will say, living in Cambodia, I eat very, very good. You know, one of the things, Linda, I love American food. I like the Mexican food. I like the barbecue. But I've noticed when you go out in restaurants in America, everything's very bland, very vanilla. How do you say, you know? When you come to Cambodia, there's no such thing as bland or vanilla. Everything is zing and zang, you know, like it's just got power to it, you know.
Yeah.
Thailand, I thought Thailand had a really good food, but now after living in Cambodia, Thailand, sorry Charlie, not so good. Love it.
In Thailand and Cambodian, the food make the same also, but some like same but different. Yeah. And Thailand he make a lot to style, but yeah, same but different. But in Thailand make a lot, but in Cambodia not make a lot. Like original, yeah, don't make a lot like that.
There's a lot of fusion here too from all the influence over the millennia.
Yeah, and Cambodia and Thailand also like spicy the same. I also when I go Thailand I like a lot of spicy. People don't know. People say, "Oh, you are from Thailand." Oh, you think I'm from Thailand? Yeah, because I say you eat the spicy. Oh my God, I'm from Cambodia. I can't eat the spicy. I love spicy.
Yeah, a lot of people don't think of Cambodia as having spicy food. We're sitting on the floor too, guys. Traditional style here, just relaxing on the hard floor. But they put a mat down. The older I get, though, my knees from all the years of football and soccer, you know, knees aren't so good, so it's sometimes tough to sit on the floor. But I eat some of that beef. I'm hogging it up like a pouring Fleet Week here. Some rice, that'll be good.
Rice, Cambodia rice, original, and riverside.
Oh yeah, a little spicy. Now this here, I haven't put this in there yet. We'll dip that spicy.
Spicy is good.
That's a little different. Not what I'm used to. New spicy.
I like new spicy and young spicy.
Oh man. Yeah, it's nice to come out here.
Oh, sorry. Everyone you want to see and baby and crop, you see, and crop and riverside.
Very small, and then that comes on the rice paddy.
Yeah, but for me, this and a small crop I cannot eat. Yeah, cannot eat. But a big crop I can eat, but a small crop make you cannot like just style and like in khmer food like in a riverside. Yeah. Then just like smell, but too small, cannot eat.
No meat on side, 'cause it's more shell than meat.
Yeah.
That makes sense. Yeah, the coming out to the riverside, the nice thing is the sun sets. Of course, today a lot of overcast skies, like it wants to rain, but I don't think it's going to. But come out to this place here, guys, and on a sunny day, you can watch the sunset over the Phnom Krom here, the mountain. What a beautiful day. Or come a little early, eat here, and then drive over there on the moto, or your tuk-tuk, or however you get here, or even a bicycle too. I see some barangs on bicycles out there.
Yeah, and for like exercise.
Yeah, and then you can ride on up and enjoy the sunset from there too. And they got ice cream up top of the mountain. It's a great day. Cold beer.
Cold beer, for relax, and a drink, and a for road. Drink for road.
If you guys made it this far in the video, leave a Cambodian flag emoji in the comment section below and we will heart it. Okay, we just got one more thing show up here. I'll let Linda explain it to you guys what it is here. Go ahead.
This one and the Krong with the fish, with the spicy lemon, and yeah, I don't know to say English too much, but you can see, yeah, carrot like with it with the Krong.
And
like
that's prahok.
Yeah, prahok and like the Krong people make.
Okay.
And name the Krong, yeah, and with the prahok. But this one and number one, and like for Khmer people like to eat prahok and the Krong, like this one original like Khmer food. and riverside. So and also and the Krong, Prahok and Nom Bachok. Yeah, Nom Bachok, very good. Number one.
That was
for
the video
Cambodia.
we just did,
Yeah.
right? The Nam Chok.
Yeah, Nom Bachok, like
Yeah.
Salo Kri, Nom Bachok, Salo Nom Bachok, Tek Prahok, and then Nom Bachok, Salo Praha, Khmer, Cambodia like.
Yeah, the video, guys, we just did a couple back there. I think that's one that Linda cooked there at the room there. And if you guys want to know more about that, check out the video. We'll leave a link right there, or maybe right there. One of the two. I think it's right there. We'll leave it for you. Click on that and check it out if you're curious.
Okay, you want to see me eat this
Yeah,
one?
let's try it out.
Yeah, this one in Cambodia and called the Krong like this. You see it's spicy? Yeah, with like this, like that. Okay, I will show you now. Wow, look at oh, I'm big mouth.
Big mouth.
1, 2, 3.
Hey, down the hatch.
Mmm.
Oh, delicious. Amazing.
Too much spicy. Okay, spicy.
Oh.
Sorry for make you hungry. Wow, and amazing. I like that.
Now you have power.
Yeah, have power. It already go sleep.
Alcantrano, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We like showing you guys and taking you to places that most tourists don't go to visit. And we would like to say thank you to everybody here at this establishment for having us here. Alcantrano, thank you so much. And we'll leave a link for this place down below. So if you're here in Siem Reap and you got some time to get outside of town, or if you're a tourist especially, and you want a truly unique dining experience, this is a great place to check out when you're in town. And until next time, guys, safe travels from Mahoney Travels. Ciao.